Hello guys, this is Abhinay Reddy and this is the first part of technical analysis playlist. So please subscribe our channel and please like and give a thumbs up button so that we can get some sort of motivation to create more videos. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy this video and please share the video and like and subscribe it. So in today's video I'm going to explain you about what are candlestick patterns and what is candlestick and how this candlestick can help us in our trading so that we can make some consistent amount in stock market. So first of all, before jumping into how to trade with candlestick patterns, I want to explain you about little history. So candlestick patterns are formed by a uh, Japanese member. So he is the one who created candlestick patterns. So candlestick patterns look like this. You can see there are green candles and red candles. You can see these are called candles. So a set of candles are known as candlestick patterns. So before jumping directly how to trade with candlestick patterns, I will explain you what is candlestick and what is the meaning of it. So um, you can see this is a 15 minutes time frame and this is the one candle which is formed. So this is the another candle which has formed, this is another candle which is formed, this is another candle which is formed. So what do you understand by this? So for every 15 minutes there is a one candle forming, for every 15 minutes there is another candle is forming, for every 15 minutes there is a candle forming. So this is the meaning of it. So let me remove these drawings. So this is the overall thing about candlestick. So first of all I will tell you about the basics. So let me draw some candlesticks. Color may be anything, color doesn't matter, you need to understand the meaning of it. So I will give you an example. So this is one candle. This is another candle. So this is some red candle. This is green candle. So sorry for my drawing, but just to understand you guys I am just drawing these candles. So sorry for my diagram. So let's start. So first of all let's start with bullish candle. So you can see, so what you can see, this thing is called, this is called tail. Where it has started it is called opening, it is called opening. Where it has ended is called closing. This is called wicks, this is called tail. So if you want to tell me in some clean manner, so what that means is that on that particular time frame the candle has started in this level, it has went down till here and it has closed till here. It has tried to go up but it has closed in this level. This is the real meaning of a candle. So if you want to know about the bearish candle, in that particular time frame the candle has started here, it has went till here, but that candle started going down, it has went down till this level and finally it has closed here. So this is the real meaning of it. If you want to show me in some real life, in practical, if you want to know that, I can also give you practically. So let me change to 1 day time frame. So you can see there was a green candle here in this region. So let me draw it so that you can understand it better. So for this candle, this one candle represents 1 day of the Nifty. So in that 1 day, whatever the how the Nifty has performed was depicted in this one candle. So what that means is that the Nifty has started from this region. It has went down till here. It has went down till here at 13,195, it has but it has tried to go up, and it has gone till this level. It's weak at this level, but it has finally closed this level. This is the meaning of a candle. So this is, guys, the meaning of a candle. So this is one candle, so it is called candlestick. A set of bunch of candles set of bunch of candles is known as candlestick patterns. So if you want to show me how to trade in with candlestick patterns, I have to show you some 3 main types of candlestick patterns. So especially So guys, before trading with candlestick patterns, there are especially 3 types of candlestick patterns. In my opinion, all other kinds of candles were also come in these 3 kinds. So you can see there are many other, you will see any other names of candlestick patterns like dragonfly doji, evening star, morning star, 3 white soldier, 3 black soldier. You will see number of uh, candlestick pattern names where you will listen different authors books and different authors YouTube channels. So in my opinion, those all kinds of candles come in these 3 kinds of candles. Mm, so let's start the video. Let's start the with candlestick patterns types. So I'm giving a disclaimer to you guys. So this is not a certainty. This is always about uncertainty. So I can't give you guarantee that these candles will work. So in trading, there's no guarantee. There was only a probability. So what I mean is that these candles don't work 100% of time. Even when you know everything, these candles doesn't work all the time. So I'm giving a disclaimer, guys. Never assume that this will work 100% of time. So this is the what I want to say. And also another more disclaimer: after doing this kind of candles, never trade them in isolation. What it means is that you will see a number of candles which will form in this kind of nature, but you shouldn't take this entry based on these candles. These candlestick patterns are only for confirmation. I'm explaining again, I'm saying again, these candlestick patterns are for confirmation only. You will never take entry based on candlestick patterns. You will only take the entry for the confirmation of the purpose. So I'm explaining you guys, never treat them in isolation. Even I like gave you explain, I will give you a practical example, so please stay tuned. So first of all, let's see the first type of candlestick patterns. So first one is pin bar candle. First one is pin bar candle. So how this pin bar candle will form is that it will have a very little body. It will have a very little body, but it will have a long tail. It will have a long tail. So this is how it works. It will have a long tail. So if you want to show me bearish candle, it will form like this. It will have a short body, but it will have a long wick. It will have a long wick. So guys, I am giving you another more disclaimer that please don't buy hard these patterns. If you try to buy hard them, you will never going to make money in stock market. Please don't do buy hard. If you try to do buy hard, it's going to be very hard for you to make money in stock market, because no matter how much you know, it doesn't matter. If you unless you don't know the real meaning behind that candle, you can't do anything. So guys, I'm explaining you, I'm suggesting you guys, don't buy hard like how our education system used to do us in our schooling and college days. So I'm suggesting you guys, understand the meaning behind this candle. If you don't understand the meaning behind this candle, you will never going to make money in stock market, because many people are experienced when they'll have many losing ones. Even though after knowing, they read tons of books, they see many authors videos, but even though they will lose money in stock market, because in real life it is different than what you see in practical life. So guys, I am suggesting you, please understand the meaning behind it. Don't try to buy hard. Okay, so let's start the so I will try to explain you, I'll try to explain you the concept behind these two candles. So let us see with bullish candle. So I will explain you the meaning of it. So first of all, okay guys, first of all, color doesn't going to matter. Okay, color doesn't going to matter. You can say this is a bullish candle, but I will also say just wait a minute guys. Okay, you guys may be thinking probably, array, if the candle was green, it means there is a potential upside. If it is a red candle, there is a potential of downside. So even this could be the case. If it is a red candle, this could be a down one. If it is a green one, you can say it was a long entry candle. But no, I will say, even this candle is a bullish pin bar, even this candle is a bullish pin bar, even this candle is a bearish pin bar, even this candle is a bearish pin bar. Do you understand what did I said? Okay, you guys may be thinking how, but how can you say because this is a green candle, this is a red candle, but how can you say this candle is a bullish candle and this candle is a bearish candle? How can you say that? Okay guys, please just give me a minute, I'll also explain you the concept. See guys, you should not just confirm the candle just by saying that if the candle is green it is a bullish, if the candle is red it is a bearish candle. No, it does. Candles doesn't form like the candles doesn't work like that. Just understand the concept. So I'll explain you the concept. See, what this candle depicts is that it has opened here, it has went till here, it has went till here. So what is the meaning of it? So bears try to push the price down, bears try to push the price down till here, but what happened, all of a sudden bulls come into the picture and they came into the force and they tried to close the price above here, so they closed the price here. So what is the scenario? The candle opened here, it bears came in, it they closed till here, but bulls all of a sudden they came into the picture and closed above this opening. So what it means is that first of all bears came here, but again bulls came and let the price went up, so it is a sign of bullish one. So this is a bullish candle. So this candle's name is called bullish pin bar. Even this is the case too. The candle opened here, it has went till here, the bears pushed the price down till here, but all of a sudden bulls came to picture and they closed above here. So you can say, even though the color may be different, even though it may be a bearish candle, but understand the logic behind it. So if you understand logic, there is a presence of bulls, there is a sign of bulls one, there is a sign of bullish nature. So this is called, these two candles are known as bullish pin bar. So I'll just write the names. So these candles are known as bullish pin bar. Okay guys, so let's see it, bearish pin bar candles. So what is the meaning of this candle? Okay, let's see a red candle so that you guys won't be confusing. So try to understand the logic. So it has opened here, the candle has opened here, bulls tried to push the price up till here, but all of a sudden bears come into the picture and they tried to push the price down till here, so it has closed here. So what is the meaning of it? There is a presence of bearish there is a presence of bearish nature. So the price of the stock or a index may be, there is a potential to go downside. So this is a bearish pin bar candle. So even this candle also, even there is a green color, it doesn't matter. Understand the logic. It has opened here, but bulls all of a sudden they have pushed the price till here, but bears came to the picture and they closed till here. So what is the meaning of it? There is a presence of bearish in nature, there is a presence of the there is a, I mean, we can say that the price of a stock or a index may go down because there is a bearish in nature. So this is the overall strategy of pin bar. So you never trade this kind of candles in isolation. I'll also explain you the meaning of what is isolation and how you will get to know about it. So this is pin bar candle. So did you guys understand the logic behind it? So if you understand the logic, it could be very easy for you. So this is all about pin bar candle. So let's understand the next one, engulfing candle. Okay guys, let's start with engulfing candle. I'll just give you a scenario. I'll just give a scenario to you. Explain me what will happen. So there were like two candles. There were two candles which were bearish in nature, but all of a sudden, all of a sudden, there is a big candle. There is a big green candle. Okay. Please give me time, guys. Okay, fine. Okay. So this is what happened. So there was a consecutive two bearish candles were forming. So all of a sudden what happened is that there is a big bullish candle has formed. So this kind of candles are known as bullish engulfing candle. So understand the logic behind it. Bears were trying to push the market down, but all of a sudden bulls came to the picture, and it has engulfed this previous candle. Can you see? The candle has engulfed the previous candle fully. You can see this full candle. If you can fit in this candle, it will fit in that. So this is known as bullish engulfing candle. If the candle engulfs the previous candle, it is known as bullish engulfing candle. Same as the case of bearish engulfing candle. So bulls were making the price go up. But all of a sudden bears come into the picture and they close the price down. So understand the meaning behind it. This is known as bearing engulfing candle. So what is the meaning of it is that it has engulfed the previous candle fully. It has totally engulfed the previous candle. So there is no presence of bulls anymore. So it is explaining us that there is no presence of bulls anymore, and the presence of bears are coming in the near future. So it is predicting that the price may go down. So this is known as bullish and bearish engulfing candle. So this is known as bullish engulfing candle. This is known as bearish engulfing candle. So this is, guys, about bullish and bearish engulfing candle. So last one is doji candle. So last type of candlestick patterns we will see today. There are many kinds of doji candles. You may hear dragonfly doji. Say there are many other names, but I don't remember the names. So graveyard doji. There are many names of it, but in my presence, in my opinion, there is only one candle known as doji candle. That's it. So I'll just show you example. So doji candle is that kind of candle where the body is very thin. That means there is no opening, and it will open and close in the same level. So this type, the candle looks in this way. So this is how it looks, the candle, how it looks. This could be even look like this. Even this candle is same as like bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar. It can may have a wick or not, it doesn't matter. What we need is to understand the logic behind it, same as like bullish pin bar only. So it is opened here, it has opened here. Bears tried to push the market down till this level, but all of a sudden bulls came to the picture and they tried to push the price up, and it closed in same as where it has opened previously. So even it is the same case in this candle also. So bulls have opened, I mean the candle has opened here. Bears tried to push the price down, but all of a sudden bulls came and they tried to push up. So this is known as doji candle. So even that is been the case with these two candles also. So understand the logic. It has opened here, but bulls try to push the price up, but all of a sudden bears came into the picture and they pushed the market down, they pushed the price down. So this is the nature of bearish sign. So it is indicating us the price of a movement could go downwards. So it is showing us that it is confirming that the price can go down. So this is all about pin bars. This is the first type of this is the first type of doji candles. Let me show another type of doji candles. You will even see some doji candles are forming like in this way. So some doji candles form like in this manner. You can see some doji candles are forming in this manner, and some doji candles will also form in this manner. So what it states is that there is an indecision in market. So there is neither bulls nor bears. So may also make you to understand the meaning of it. So first of all, it has opened here. So bulls try to uh, make the price go up, but bears came to the picture and also pushed the price down. But all of a sudden bulls came and they tried to close it where the candle has opened. So it shows that there is an indication, neither bulls won nor bears won. So it is showing that there is a nor a presence of bulls nor there is a presence of bears. So there is an indication. So what we should do is that basically the next candle which will form, it will show us what could be happen, what could be the potential movement of the stock in the near future. So when there is indecision in candle, when there is indecision in candle, try to confirm in the next candle which has formed, so that it will tell you some decision making. So this is guys, this is all about candlestick patterns and their types. So I will just explain you in practically how it will work. So let me take the example of Nifty 50 index. So guys, let me draw some support and resistance areas. I will even make a video on support and resistance, guys. Please stay tuned. Let me search for some bullish pin bar candles. Just give me a minute, guys. I will just search and I will come back in a while. So welcome, guys. So I just found a bullish pin bar candle. So here, can you see this candle? Yeah, I think so. You can see how nicely it has formed. So what happened is that it has formed a bullish pin bar candle on a support level. So this is what I mean to say. So never trade candlestick patterns in isolation. So this is what I mean to say. So I will, so there is a resistance area, so there is also being a bullish pin bar candle, so then you have to take an entry, but you should not take an entry based on that there is a bullish pin bar candle. I can even show an example of bullish pin bar candle which are formed in isolation. Okay, here it is, guys. Can you see? There is a bullish pin bar candle here. Here it is. Here it is. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see, guys? So can you see this candle? It has found a bullish pin bar, but it has formed a wrong place. There is no nothing. There is being a resistance area and this bullish pin bar has formed. But what happened if you had a long entry in this place? You could be in a losing trade. So never trade them in isolation. Always do them in. So there is a bullish pin bar candle. If you had an entry here, you could be having a decent amount of profits in Nifty 50. So this is all about, this is about bullish pin bar candle. And if you want to have an example of bullish engulfing candle, I will show you guys. Just wait a minute. So there is a bullish engulfing candle here in this region. So if you find it, so there is a red candle as forming and exactly at support level you can see there is a bullish engulfing candle is formed. So if you guys had an entry here, you could be getting a decent amount of profits. So this is about bullish engulfing pattern. So also the same